Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because this is not going to be a makeup tutorial, it is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I straighten my hair. I found this straightener, actually my mom did, and I am obsessed with it. I don't like 1-inch hair straighteners. I feel like it just takes forever to straighten my hair, and I feel like my hair doesn't get pinned straight. So I'm going to be showing you how I use the Revlon 2-inch straightener, and it has a detachable comb that I leave on because I think it actually helps a lot with making your hair really nice and straight and tangle free. So I'm going to show you my routine for straightening my hair. So let's get into it. So I just plug this bad boy in, press it on, and then you can see, I don't know if you guys can really see it that well, but there is a screen where you can see the temperature and you can make it higher or lower. I'm going to leave it at about 405 degrees. I know that my hair can take this and it's going to help straighten my hair nice and quick. Obviously, if you have more sensitive hair, then definitely lower the temperature. What I also really like is that you can actually lock it shut. So when you have to put it away, it's nice and neat and not open all over the place. So now I'm just gonna open it up and wait for it to heat up. And in the meantime, while it's heating up, I'm gonna have some liquid IV. I know this is random, but I never show you guys these like random things that are my favorites that are not beauty related, but liquid IV is my go-to. I love it so much. I talked about it actually on my Instagram stories. This is equivalent to 3 bottles of water, and during filming days, especially, this is my second video of the day, and then I already filmed a couple of reels and TikToks. I find myself not drinking enough water, so I will usually just pour this into a bottle or my cup right here, 16 ounces of cold water, and then just drink it. So I'm gonna make this while it's heating up and then drink it through the video. So good. I love the acai berry flavor and passion fruit. Top flavors. You guys have to try this out. Okay, so let's get into the hair. So I'm gonna brush my hair out, make sure there are no tangles. I did wash my hair and let it air dry this morning. When I'm in a rush, I'll blow dry my hair, and I actually like blow drying my hair when I'm straightening it just because it gives you a nice volume and lift. Now that I just brushed my hair out and it's all tangle free, look at how bushy my hair is. This is insane. I can't wait to straighten it. Now I'm gonna spray some Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I love this stuff so much. It makes my hair so silky and smooth and shiny and has so much flow and movement. Let me read you all the benefits. So it's supposed to strengthen, heat protect, reduce frizz, detangle, soften, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and has UV protection. It says that you're supposed to spray this onto damp hair. You definitely can. I forgot this morning, but I'm actually just gonna spray it right now, and it still kind of does the same thing for my hair. So I just take my hair and just spray it. Maybe I should open it. And just spray it from the mid-length to my ends. And I do not spray it on my roots, especially because my hair gets really oily quickly, so avoid your roots. Now I'm just gonna brush that through once more. I can already feel how soft my hair is feeling with this spray. And then now I'm just gonna clip back the top of my hair. So I leave about 2 inches of my hair down, just like this. And then I'm just gonna clip this section up. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I kind of just clip up top there. So once the hair is sectioned off, I'll kind of just split it in 2 sections, and then I'll take about 1 inch of hair. And what you wanna make sure is that the brush side is actually down, not up. And then just wiggle that in there. And I kind of just hold this down. And look at how straight just on the first time going through the hair. But I'm actually just gonna go twice just to make sure that it's nice and pin straight. Look at that. All right, one more time. And I go slowly. I'm not trying to really rush this through just because I know that it's not gonna get as straight. And ta-da. Look at the difference. It is so straight, it's so smooth and silky and tangle free because of the comb. I love it. Just look at that. And then what I'll do is actually take the hair to the back, and then once again with the comb side down, I wiggle that to the really closest part of my root just to make sure that it's completely straight. When I'm ready for the next section, I'll just pull all my straightened hair to the front just so it's out of the way and doesn't get tangled with the curlier parts. And then let's just section off another part. I find clipping up all my hair so much easier. Just doesn't get messed up with everything else. And then once again, section off these 2 parts. Bring back the straightened part. I like to start from the back and then move my way up. If you guys like hair tutorials, I'm not like, I can do hair and I actually enjoy doing different hairstyles, but I don't ever really wear my hair different besides just like straightened or curly. So if you guys are interested in anything, curly hair tutorials, maybe how I do my curly hair. I did try robe curls and oh my goodness gracious, I was so shocked at how amazing it turned out. My hair was so curly and lasted so long. I posted that on my Instagram story also. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you guys are staying up to date with all the stuff that I'm telling you guys right now. So now I'm actually just going to leave the top section, and what I'm going to do is just part it where I want it and then bring it all down, and then let's straighten that part. What shows do you guys recommend? Do you have any Netflix or Hulu shows that you are binging? I would love to know your recommendations because I love watching Netflix and Hulu. So regardless if I'm straightening or curling my hair, I will always just section off a hair from the front. So this front section I will always leave and do last. So now when it gets to the front section of my hair, I just take it all, brush that back. So I'll just wiggle that to the root and then hold and kind of go back, and then I'll do that again. Do you see that? It kind of just makes your hair like fall in this swoop. I don't know, I like that when I straighten my hair. So that's just how I do my front section. And then because my hair gets super staticky, just gonna run a dryer sheet through it. And that is it. So here is how my hair looks completely done. It was super quick and easy to do, and I know this video was also really quick and easy and kind of self-explanatory. I feel like everyone knows how to straighten their hair, but I just really wanted to show you my obsession with this straightener and wanted to get you guys on it. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be down in the description box. And also a list of the products that I use will be listed down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!